Hello my Nectarines, Nono here and I'm back with another video. I'm finally getting to review the BTArtbox X Long Hair Pretty Nails collab. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Can you tell? Can you tell? The packaging is everything. What do you mean? How adorable is a little like emoji or emoji, whatever you call it, of Evie in the front. I love the overall aesthetic. The colors they chose, this peachy pinky vibe is adorable. Oh my goodness, I'm so obsessed. As always, at the back you've got all the instructions on how to apply the nails, which I love that they add this at the back. It makes for quick access to all the instructions and all the important information. The tips that they sent me are the long stiletto and the long square. They also sent me their brush on glue, but the one that they sent me earlier is still in good condition. I've been loving this glue, you guys. It is amazing. When they first initially made the announcement, the first thing that caught my eye was this stunning cherry design, but I didn't realize how many other designs you get in one pack. So you get 5 designs all together, which you can mix and match and come up with a set that is uniquely yours. And this is the first one, the cherry, which I love. The second one is the cheetah print. How stunning. The third one is my favorite, the butterfly with the cat eye. Stop. And then the third one is this red with 3D swirls. Lastly, you have a whole selection of different designs with gold chrome and 3D swirls as well. I can definitely tell that both Evie and BTArtbox work so hard on this collab. These designs are so trendy and so well made, you guys. Now, I wasted no time picking my sizes, of course, and I've been obsessed with this stiletto shape from BTArtbox. I honestly feel like it was made for me. It just sits on my nail plate so well, and overall, the little apex just makes them look like acrylic nails. They just look so stunning. I do want to point out that this specific range comes with top coat already on them, so you really want to be careful when filing and shaping, or if you want to customize them in any way. I always make sure to come from underneath, that way I don't accidentally file the white away. But after I did that for all my nails, I went off camera and applied a thin layer of my peel-off base, that way I can pop the nails off once I am done. Now I'm going to be going in with my ultra bonding brush on nail glue from BTArtbox. I just find it easier if you apply a thin layer to both the natural nail and the tip, and that way you get good adhesion and you don't struggle with air bubbles as much, especially because the nails are a little bit transparent. So if you do get large air bubbles, it'll be very easy to see them. I do the 45-degree angle method when I'm applying them, and I also made sure to hold the nail down for a good 30 to 60 seconds, and if I have spillage, I quickly just wiped it away with an alcohol wipe. As you guys can see, the nail went on so perfectly. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Now, I will say the part that worried me the most was getting some of the glue onto the actual nail. That will take away from the shine of the top coat. But if that does happen, you can quickly buff the nail, or you can apply some nail primer and then reapply the top coat on the nail altogether. That way you'll be able to restore the shine. And here's how the nails are looking after we're done with the application. I cannot believe how quick and easy that was, you guys. And for the first time ever, I didn't have to customize the nails because I just love them exactly the way they came. I'm going to be finishing off with the BTArtbox Nail Lash Cuticle Oil. The stuff smells amazing and it is so nourishing, and it has nail strengthening properties, which is my favorite part about the cuticle oil. Now that we're done with this set, I am reminded that actually Evie was probably one of the first nail channels I've ever watched here on YouTube, her and Susie for nail care education, and it's been so inspirational watching her grow and become the incredible businesswoman that she is today. I am just so happy for her. Congratulations to both Evie and BTArtbox for this amazing collab, and I want to thank BTArtbox as well for sponsoring today's video. If you've tried the nails, please let me know what you think about them in the comment section. If you haven't, I will be linking them in the the description box, or you can use my code Necta10 for 10% off when you are shopping on the site. I'm gonna love and leave you guys. I hope you're having a phenomenal day wherever you are. Love you. Bye.